morning students. Today we will continue our block 17. Okay, Earth and its neighbor. Okay, so today what we will do? We will do reading. So open page number 4 of block number 17. Today we will start our reading from this line, the stars. Okay, but before starting our reading, let's revise what we studied in the last class. In the last class we studied that every planet are in a solar system. There are many planets, sun, moon, star, they all are in solar system, and every planet moves around sun. हर planet sun के चारों तरफ move करता है, and earth shape is like a ball. Okay, and sun is a huge ball of gases. Sun gives us heat and light, and with the light of sun plants make their food. Okay students, then we will study about moon. So what is moon? Moon is a satellite of the earth. Moon is a satellite of the earth. As I already explained you that like every planet moves around sun, like earth is moving around sun, but moon is a satellite of earth, means moon moves around earth. क्या होता है satellite? Satellite is that which move around the planet. So moon is a satellite of earth because moon moves around earth, and all the planets moved around sun. Okay, but only moon is a satellite of earth. Moon moves around earth. Okay beta, so moon is a natural satellite of earth. And one more thing important about moon is that moon does not have their own light. moon की खुद की light नहीं होती. moon only receive the light of sun. Okay, and with the sunlight moon can gives the light. Okay beta, then today we will start the reading. Come to this line. Stars are huge balls of gases. Like sun, stars are also huge ball of gases and have their own heat and light. So beta, sun have their own heat and light, and stars have their own heat and light, but moon do not have their own heat and light. So beta, moon की खुद की light नहीं होती, but sun and stars have their own light. The sun is also a star. sun भी क्या होता है? एक star, because sun and stars both are huge ball of gases and they have their own light and heat. Okay, there are thousands of stars that twinkle. Twinkle यानी चमचमाना. Okay, twinkle twinkle little star, सुना है ना आपने? Have you listened this poem? Twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. So like this, stars are twinkling in the night. They are not as small as they appear to be. They are not so small, but they are looking very small in the sky, but they are not small. Some stars are bigger than the sun. Even some stars are bigger than the sun, but they look very small. How? Because they are very very far away from the earth. वो अर्थ से बहुत दूर है, इसलिए वो small दिखाई देते हैं. They look small because they are very far away from the earth. The sun is the nearest star. Sun कहाँ पे है? बहुत near है अर्थ के. Sun is the nearest star. That's why it looks big. We cannot see the other stars during the day. We cannot see the other stars during the day. We see them only at night. We see the stars only at night. because the bright light of sun during the day does not let us see the star, because the light of sun hide the star. So students, star and sun are huge ball of gases and they have their own heat and light, but sun appears or seen during the daytime and stars are seen during the night time. Okay beta, so read this page and this block carefully. I will ask the question which are related to this block in your online class. Okay students, so you have to read it carefully. 4 points we learned that earth structure is like a ball. Then we studied about, yes, sun is a huge ball and sun have their own light and heat. Then moon is a natural satellite of earth. Okay, moon moves around the earth and moon do not have their own light. Then we study, yes, stars are also have their own heat and light, but they looks very small in the night because they are very far away from the earth. वो अर्थ से बहुत दूर हैं, इसलिए वो छोटे दिखाई देते हैं. Okay students, so read this page and we will meet in the next class. Bye, take care.